Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by confirming your Mac's port and the USB device type. This avoids wasted adapters and speed mismatches. Plug the USB into the correct port or attach a certified adapter, and wait a few seconds for Mac OS to enumerate the device. If it's a storage drive, make sure you've backed up important files before doing anything else. Once you see a desktop icon or Finder entry, you're ready to open it. That's the first actionable step toward transferring files or preparing the drive. Now, open Finder and locate the USB under Locations so you can inspect contents. This is how you decide what to move or delete. Drag and drop for small sets, but for reliability and resume capability, use terminal commands like cp or rsync when moving many files. This prevents interruptions from corrupting transfers. If you can't write to the drive, check permissions with getinfo, make changes there, or use sudo chown and chmod in terminal. Doing this ensures proper access and keeps file metadata intact. To finish, always eject the USB using Finder, the desktop icon, or disk utility. Force removal can corrupt data. If you need a different file system, open disk utility and pick apps for internal-like behavior, Mac OS Extended for older Macs, or XFAT for cross-platform use. Erase only after confirming backups. If the Mac doesn't recognize the device, try a different port or adapter, run first aid in disk utility, and reset SMC or NVRAM as a last step. That troubleshooting tip often restores detection quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.